Hey friends, Tom Wiley here. We've got our new solar Energizer set up, powering our fence out here in the pasture for the sheep and the cows. And one thing that I realized, I have that handle on it. This is just a cart that I've used for moving stuff around for years. But that handle I had left in the up position last night because the sun was way over there, it was setting, and I didn't think about the shadow that it would cast on the solar panel. Right now, it's about 10 in the morning or so. You see the sun is up there, and so it's casting a shadow. That handle is casting a shadow on the solar panel, which is reducing its output. I'm going to show you just how much it reduces it. You can see the voltage in there is 13.0, and it's occasionally up to 13.1. You can see there's no shadows on the panel, except for that just little bit of shadow right there. I'm gonna have Mr. C pull that back in just a second. So here, I'm gonna hold this so you can kind of see both at once maybe. Okay, so there you see the voltage is 13.1. Okay, go ahead and move it back. There, it immediately bumped up 13.1, 13.2, showing that just by removing that much shadow, there was only a little bit of shadow, just a couple lines crossing, it immediately, now it's bumping 13.2, 13.3. So it immediately increased the output of that solar panel. So keep that in mind. I also realized, I'll jump over there to the chicken net situation. I believe my net is shading my solar panel a little bit. So that's something to keep in mind. All it takes is a little bit of shadow, especially if you have a shadow going across this way. The way the panel is wired together, so all these stripes that go this way, the silver stripes that are then connected by these bars up here, if you shade across all those, it's supposedly, it almost eliminates the output of the whole panel, which I'd like to experiment with, but that's for another time. For right now, I'm going to keep this handle down. Just keep it down like that. Then it's in the full sun. And my output will be maximized.